dog's life and I love it. Las Vegas is the place for me. We party all night, relax all day. This is the place to throw your hands away. It's a dog's life and I love it. If there's a heaven, this is it for me. The bright lights, the action, I feel so at home. I never have to worry where I'll find my next home. Well, it's a dog's life and I love it. The showgirls, the dancing.